If you're interested to see the products that I use, please continue watching this video. So I actually put on some face primer off camera. This is the Wet n Wild face primer, the Photofocus face primer. Sorry, so I'm testing it out pretty much, so I will let you know how well it works. So far it feels really nice on the skin, makes the skin feel really smooth, so I'm liking it a lot. Okay, as my concealer today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the color medium deep tan. So this is it. Alright, so as my highlighter today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighting powder in the color Awesome Blossom. Now it's a really golden highlighter, which is what I prefer, versus the champagne color looking highlighters, right? So I am very excited to try this. I mean, Wet n Wild always had nice highlighters, so I'm excited about trying this.